Since the beginning of mankind, fire has been the means of survival. If you like to go in the woods with more than a pack of matches or a Bic lighter, and you like to be prepared, check out what's in my fire kit. Stick around. This is my fire kit. You might get some ideas out of here for your fire kit. Maybe you don't have a fire kit. It'll give you a lot of ideas. Maybe your fire kit's better. Maybe you have ideas in your fire kit that's not in mine. Drop some comments down below and we'll discuss it. Maybe I'll learn a thing or two. Anyways, let's get right into this. Opening it up. We'll start in the back here. First and most simplest, of course, simple Bic lighter. Wrapped around this, I have two good size lengths of 1-inch Gorilla Tape, which are great for fire starting as well, and other things. Number two, I have just a couple simple emergency candles, miniature emergency candles. Great to move fire from location A to B, or to start, get a fire started or whatever. This here is a pretty cool item. I believe it's 18 inches. It's a expandable air bellow. If you're not familiar with these, basically you put the small end towards your ember or your small flames, blow in the large end and push oxygen to the fire, which creates a larger flame. Neat little item to have. It's come in very handy a few times. A couple good sized lengths of jute. Great for birds nesting. That's it in there. This is a cool little item. I've had quite a few of these over the years. I had a case of these at one time. These were given to me when I was part of a field staff of a pretty well-known brand name lighter company that I can't mention. Starts with the letter Z. These are little fire sticks inside. I believe this one, yeah, this one I used a little bit. You basically just push the end up a little bit, fray it up. You got an igniter here, spark. Might need a little more flint in there, but I've used it quite a bit. But spark that on there, that will start a flame, and they will burn for a while, and you can put them out and reuse them, what's left of them. Right up in here, got a little miniature Altoid tin that I keep a little bit of char. This is punkwood char. I refill that as needed. And into the main compartment here, of course, the ferro rod. It's one I made. Probably needs no explanation. To go with the ferro rod, it's attached to the thing here, so it can't be lost. It unclips easy, or you could just use it right here. It's a striker for the ferro rod. I got another tin here, that pre-made char cloth. Plenty of char cloth here. Nice big fat piece of fat wood. Good stuff. And I believe that's about it. That's pretty much my fire kit. I feel like I'm forgetting one little thing, but I guess I'm not. Oh, okay, that's it. Yeah, that's all. That's my fire kit. Basically, you have several different methods you can use. Some work better than others in other conditions, and some are just fun to use. So do me a favor, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what you think. Let me know what's in your fire kit, and please like the video and subscribe for more great content. Have a good day.